Today, I'm going to show you how to create a vector mask in Photopea step by step so you can precisely control what part of your image, text, or shape stays visible. This is a super useful skill when you want clean edges, professional looking cutouts, or non-destructive editing inside Photopea without permanently deleting anything. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea and graphic design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and look at the Layers panel on the right side. The very first thing you need to do is select the layer you want to mask. That can be an image layer, a text layer, or even a fill layer. Make sure the correct layer is highlighted because the vector mask will be applied to that specific layer. Next, you need to switch your tool mode to Path. To do that, choose the pen tool, which is usually found by pressing P on your keyboard, or select any shape tool by pressing U. Once the tool is active, look at the top options bar. You'll see a mode setting that may be set to shape by default. Change that drop down from shape to path. This step is important because a vector mask works with paths, not just shapes. Now, it's time to draw the mask boundary. Using the pen tool or shape tool, carefully draw your path directly on the canvas around the area you want to keep visible. Think of this path as the outline of your mask. You can click to create straight segments or click and drag to create curves if you need smoother edges. Take your time here because the accuracy of the path determines how clean your vector mask will look. Once your path is in place, you're ready to apply the vector mask. At the top menu, go to Layer, then choose Vector Mask and then click Current Path. Photopea will instantly convert that path into a vector mask for the selected layer. If you prefer a shortcut style method, you can also hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac and click the Add Raster Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. That rectangle with a circle inside is the mask icon, and using it with a path selected will help apply the mask based on your current path. After the mask is applied, you may notice that only the area inside your path remains visible. That means the vector mask is working correctly. If you need to adjust it, you can go back to the path and refine the points, then update the mask again. This is one of the biggest advantages of vector masks. They stay sharp and editable, so they're ideal for logos, clean product shots, text reveals, and any design where you need crisp edges. If you want to check your work, try toggling the layer visibility or zooming in close to inspect the edge quality. If something looks off, simply adjust the path points and reapply the vector mask until it looks right. The more precise your path, the cleaner your final result will be. And that's how to vector mask in Photopea. It's a simple process once you understand the workflow. Select your layer, switch the tools mode to Path, draw your boundary, and apply the vector mask from the layer menu. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Photopea tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.